Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the JCG 300 Mbps router. I'll get the serial number of this thing and put it in the title of the description, but this is an awesome router. I like JCG as a brand. They're affordable as well as they work, and it's got 3 really nice antennas, which gives it huge range. There's more in the description of the Amazon link below. You'll get all the info when you're about to buy this, but the model number, I don't want to get the net key and all that stuff on camera, but it's a JYR 490S. And it works really well. JCG makes all sorts of cool electronic stuff. They really make good routers. But I'll also have a link to their full line of products below as well. And also, at the time of this posting, Chmelaeon.com is going to have a ton of different router solutions that you can order direct from China, which actually might even be cheaper than Amazon. So check out Chmelaeon.com and do a search for a router, and you'll see like more than 100 pop up. So that's pretty much it. JCG, I highly recommend the brand. Very cool. Worked extremely well for years. We're upgrading to a Linksys. But if you're on a budget, this is the one to get. Chmelaeon.com, out.